Hello friends, welcome back to TypeScript tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about what are the data types available in TypeScript. Okay, so we already created these things. Actually, when we use JS or simple JavaScript or ECMAScript, we don't need to mention the type. And in the TypeScript, the main thing is we need to mention the type when you declare any things. Okay, so this is the things we need to use in the TypeScript, and this is the reason why we use TypeScript. Okay, so let's try something. Means here I just going to declare some variable. So how what are the data types? So there may have a string, number, boolean, and then many things. Okay, so let's discuss step by step. So I just going to discuss. Let username use this username as a string type, and here I just going to write the username is suppose John, and this is the string type data. Okay, this is the example of string type data, and let's console dot log and write username. Okay, so if you check, you are getting the John. Okay, now I just going to declare another type of data, suppose age. This will be the number type, and these are suppose 18. Okay, and here simply write print the age. Okay, so you're getting the John 18. So this is the number type data. So you understand string type and number type. I already said it's checking the runtime, means here I just use the age number 18 is the number type. Now if I just going to use as a string, then it will not work. So let's check from the terminal, and here you can see this actually it's saying the error, that is the type string, that is the type string is not assignable to the number. Okay, so you can understand how it's actually working. Now just to go here and here write 18 again. So now it's compiling and 0 error found, and you can see the output. So another type of data, so let's use another type of data, suppose the boolean data. Okay, so let's check is logged in, it's either true or either false. So simply we can use as a boolean type of data, and by default we can see as a true. So this is boolean type data. Actually in this video we are going to discuss how many types of data present in the TypeScript, how many data type we have. So these are the basic three things we just created. There are lots of things. Suppose for sometimes you don't know what will be the types, then how we can do this? So that time you can define any data like this. Let some data, I don't know what are the types. That time we can write here as any. So we can define in this way also. So hello. Now here write the data. So simply write type of data. So you can see the current type is string. Now if you just write here something 50, then the type will be the number. Okay, actually it will accept any kind of data, but this is not a good practice when you use the TypeScript. So when you don't know the type, it disable the type checking actually. Okay, so when you write any, then it will actually disable the type checking, but it's avoiding things, means it don't try to use that things unless necessary. Okay, like any, we have another type of data like unknown, k n. Okay, now we don't know the type, so if you check it's number. So what are the difference between these things? Actually like any, but safer, you must check the type before using it. Okay, so it's actually like any, but as a TypeScript documentation it's saying that unknown is more safer, but I don't think any or unknown have much difference. Okay, so uh, don't use any or unknown type of things. So another things, we can write here we can declare in this way, like nothing. So if you don't have anything, you can write here null. Okay, so this is the null data. Okay, it is another type of data. There is the null data. And if you want to declare some more undefined, like here, right, let ud, this is actually I'm going to set it undefined. Sometimes you don't have data, or sometimes you have going to access any undefined type of data, then you can access this. Okay, so this actually used in rare case on specific conditions. Okay, now, these are the things: string, number, boolean, null, undefined, any, and unknown. So these are the summon. So these are the straightforward types. Now, I just going to declare. I just going to see the another data types like object. Right. So here write object. So simply write let's object, and here we need to specify in this way, like name, then you can write John, and then age you can write 18. Actually this is the object type of data, so if you check, so it's actually object, right? And if you have multiple data like this, suppose let's add multiple data. So here you can say another data like John, here write Tommy, and age is 25. Okay, so you can see uh, this is actually the object type of data. In TypeScript, actually both in array or object actually treat as a type of object. Okay, so there's a reason it's object. So you understand the basic types, and step by step we will learn more about that things. So this is a string type, number type, boolean type, unknown type, or any type, then null, undefined, and object or array type. Okay, so these are the types we can use in our TypeScript. Okay, so next day we are going to discuss about the functions in TypeScript. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.